Alright, here we are, 14th of March, 2010. Well, I guess with all the rain that we've had, my sump pump was still working, although it must have overheated and tripped the breaker, because the actual outlet goes under the driveway and out over there. But the ground's so saturated that it was pumping so hard that it tripped. Thank goodness, instead of burning out the pump. But so now I'm just dumping out on the driveway. And while we were sleeping, the basement flooded. Ouch. The entire basement, which I'm not too happy of. In the home theater, to the back bedroom, to the walk-in closet, and stuff on the floor, to the back bathroom. Into this closet space back here for all the Christmas crap and in here to where the pump is in the laundry room, and it's going non-stop. But I've taken it, I cut it out of the hole it was in the wall where it went over to the gravel and dumped out. Taking it out the window and onto the driveway. And it's been pumping, I don't know, pumped for like a half hour now non-stop. I imagine it was doing that last night until it kicked, whenever that was. Alright. Well. Now you've seen what I see.